In this video, I'm going to explain what lead ads are, how to set them up, and why they are one of the best types of ads that we use in this business. So at this point, you should already know that we have engagement ads optimized for views, traffic ads optimized for clicks, lead ads, which are optimized to make a certain person do what you want them to do, which I will explain in a second, and sales ads, which are optimized for sales. So in the past, we primarily used to use traffic ads, but things changed, and now we know that traffic ads, as I said, are optimized for clicks. So for example, if you run an ad traffic to Typeform, the algorithm looks for people who just click on your Typeform and open the Typeform, while a lead ad is optimized in a way, especially if you have a pixel set up and the pixel is optimized for Typeform submits, then the algorithm looks for people who not only click on your Typeform, but actually go for the whole thing and submit it. That's the difference. And that's why lead ads gives you much better quality of applications than any other ad. So once your lead ad is set up, once your pixel is set up and connected to your Typeform, you will have people who actually open, go for the whole Typeform and submit it. Now I will share my screen and show you how to set this kind of an ad. So we are in Ads Manager. You click Create. You choose Leads, Continue. And we have standard setup, which is Campaign, Ad Set, and Creative. Here we can change the name. We should change the name. So I personally use combination of numbers and dates because that's the system I use. You use whatever works for you. I will call it okay. We use the campaign budget because obviously, as it was explained in another video, nowadays we let the algorithm spread the money in the best possible way because algorithm knows based on behaviors of the people which ad is performing in the best way. And it's going to therefore allocate the majority of the money from your budget to this ad. So you can adjust your budget here. It's a testing one, so I will leave 25. And now we click next. Again, we change the name. And here is a very important part because we choose a conversion. So we have three options here, but we go to the single one and we choose website because our website will be our Typeform. We maximize number of conversions. And now we choose dataset. In another video, it was explained how to create it and how to optimize your pixel for Typeform submit conversion event. So I'm not going to go into the details now, but I'm going to choose Typeform submit. Not Typeform first interaction, because Typeform first interaction means that they just opened the Typeform. But for us, it doesn't matter. We want people who actually submit. And then we go lower, we can obviously schedule this. And when it comes to audience, as it was explained in another video, we let the algorithm, the AI do the thing. So I'm not going to change anything for the purpose of this video. I have my standard countries here. So I'm just scrolling. And then we have placements. I usually only advertise on Instagram. So I'm going to change this bit. Only Instagram for me. And now we can click on next. Again, we should change the name here. We scroll down. Here we copy paste the Typeform link. I will show you how to do this. So I go into my Typeform. I open the Typeform. I go to Share. And I copy this link. Then I paste here. And here, click None. Because Instant Form is another version of an application which we don't use nowadays, or some people use it, but for the purpose of this training, I'm showing you how to use it with the Typeform because that works better. So tick None here. And here you can set up your ad creative. So for the purpose of this training, I will add an image ad. Next. I'm going to change because you can see that the layout is okay here, but not here. So I'm going to replace because I have both versions prepared. It is really important for you to pay attention to this one because your ad will be shown on the feed and also on stories. So make sure that you have two versions of each creative because you will be able to replace it so that it looks better. Next. You should add a primary text. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to add only this one. You can add different options as well. Headline as well. Different options. You can set up to 5 different variations here. So I recommend you to do so. Call to action. You can use see details. I personally use learn more. Obviously, you choose the one that applies the most for the type of an ad that you are creating. So I recommend using learning more. And next, you can choose some of the options here. I personally don't do this. Done. And let the ad load. We can scroll down, but there is nothing more we should pay attention to. So now we just click publish and that's it.